welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For today's recipe of Amritsari chicken, I'm going to first begin with the marination. For that, I'm going to first take half kg of either bone-in or boneless skinless chicken. To that, here I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. Along with that, here I'm also going to be adding 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, half teaspoon of lime juice, and lastly 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm now going to mix all these ingredients really well and leave this for marination for at least a period of 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'm then going to take a pan, and to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. After adding the butter, I'm then going to allow the butter to melt, which will take about 15 to 20 seconds. After the butter has melted, I'm then going to add the marinated piece of the chicken. Here, after adding all the marinated piece of the chicken, I'm then going to fry this for a period of 10 to 12 minutes until the time the chicken becomes tender. After about 12 minutes, once the chicken has become nice and tender, I'm then going to switch off the flame and keep this chicken aside. After that, I'm then going to take a pan, and to that, here you can either add 2 tablespoons of butter or oil. After adding either the butter or the oil, to that, here you can also add 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion. After adding the medium-sized finely chopped onion, I'm then going to fry this really well for a period of 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, once the onions become nice and soft, to that, here I'm going to be adding half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to fry this really well until the time the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away, that here I'm then going to add a tomato puree of 5 tomatoes. After adding the puree of 5 tomatoes, I'm then going to mix this really well with the onions and fry this for a period of 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, here you can then add the spices, beginning with 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, and salt as per taste, while keeping in mind you've already added salt to the chicken, 2 chopped green chillies, and lastly half a teaspoon of sugar. After adding all these ingredients, I'm then going to mix this once again really well and fry this for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, here you can then add 3 tablespoons of fresh cream and mix it with the rest of the gravy. After mixing it with the rest of the gravy, here you can then cook this for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, here you can then add the chicken which you had fried earlier. After adding all of the pieces of the chicken, here you can then mix this really well with the rest of the gravy. And after mixing it really well with the rest of the gravy, here you can then add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. After adding garam masala powder, you can then mix this with chicken and fry this for another 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, here you can lastly add some coriander leaves to garnish the dish. And after adding the coriander leaves, the dish is now ready to be served. So I'm not going to ask you to subscribe to my channel right away, but I really hope you do try out this recipe, and then if you do like it, come back to my video, like this video, and then subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.